Trying to save an image as PNG, JPG, or even WEBP, but the site won't let you? Here's how to save images in any format you want. First, right-click the image and choose Save Image As. It might download as WebP or a format you didn't want. That's okay. Go to a site like iloveimg.com. Upload your image and choose the format you want, like PNG, JPG, BMP, or even PDF. On Windows, open the image in Paint. Click File, Save As, and choose your format. On Mac, use Preview. Go to File, Export, and pick the format. Another fast method, just rename the file. Right-click, rename, and change .webp to .jpg. This works for some platforms, especially if you're uploading to websites that don't check formats strictly. Now your image is saved exactly how you want. This works great for editing, uploading, or keeping compatibility with any platform. If you're editing in tools like Photoshop or GIMP, always export instead of saving. It gives you more control over quality and size. That's how to save images as any format. Like and follow for more tech tricks that make life easier.